Hello, Jutta family. So, lucky Popeye, our baby with just one eye, the other eye has been closed shut, is going to the UK. Lovely follower has adopted him. He's going to be a lap cat because he's very, very affectionate. And again, this is part of the program or the offer that Joe did as a flight volunteer. So the lady contacted us, and this little baby is going to the UK. He's gonna have little friends. He's gonna have a lovely garden and a sofa lifestyle. So he's getting a check, make sure he's okay. He's very sweet. This baby is very affectionate. Yes, the vet is checking him now. This is all the checks before travel. È possibile che poliamo su occhio?
No, non si può fare niente.
No,
Detto a lui.
sta molhado.
No,
Ok.
non si può mettere antibiotico, non si può mettere.
No, non è questo. Ok.
Hai finito?
Thank you very much, Jutta family, for your support. All these lucky babies going to the UK. Thank you, Joe, for volunteering to take them.